Hi guys, this is Beetlejuice, and if you want to learn this makeup tutorial, stay with me till the end of the video. And without further ado, let's get started. It's showtime! So first I'm going to use some primer. It's from Bodyshop. Very gentle. It's oil-free matte primer because last time when I did the makeup of Lydia, my foundation was like absorbing so much into the skin. So it's a good strategy to use primer. Also have acne prone skin and I'm breaking out, but I don't want to use a lot of foundation. Use it on the neck and the shoulders as well because I'm going to make it white too. I hope that it turns out the way I have planned it. And next up we are going to use this pale foundation. This is from Ingrid. I'm going to push the wig back because I don't want the foundation to stick to the wig. Dot 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 dot. Pimple. But yeah, with this makeup it's gonna go well. So, for once I'm like really grateful for the pimple over here below the nose. And I'll just blend. So blend with a damp beauty blender. Everywhere, even on the eye. So yeah, blend really well. It's a brown Beetlejuice makeup. Of a brown girl, I mean. Beetlejuice with brown skin. It's very difficult to do pale makeup on brown skin because no matter how hard you try, the brown always speaks through. So you have to use a lot of foundation and white stuff. But growing up, Beetlejuice was one of my favorite movies, and I remember that I used to say Beetlejuice, 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 but Beetlejuice never appeared, and I used to be very sad. Why? Okay, so yeah, I think we are done. Oh my god, my wig. And now again I'm going to use this white powder to make the foundation more chunky white. I think this step is so good because it sets the foundation and also make the foundation look more pale. So yeah, do try it and let me know, especially for brown skin, oily acne prone skin, people who are doing Halloween makeup. But again, remember to use a matte Eyeshade, alright? And the shoulders. And now we are going to use the watercolor pro pencil from Crayola, and the trick to use it is to dip it in water first as to activate it because it's a watercolor. And yeah, now we have to do markings on the face wherever we have to use green color, so as to not to confuse later on when we are using green eyeshade on the face and not to make the whole face green. So yeah, it's a really good tip in my opinion. But if you're comfortable using it, the green with the beauty blender or brush, go ahead and do that. But for beginners out there, I think it's a really good technique. And now I'm going to take this like bluish green eyeshadow from Ingrid Cosmetics. I don't have the perfect green, unfortunately, so yeah, I have to resort to whatever I have available. And I'm going to use this shade on top of the markings. And now let's use this green because it's a little bit bluish and I don't have the exact green shade. So I'm going to use this with the fingers like so. Here. Here too. You had more green on this side. So yeah, here too. Okay. Then, like, looks fine. Let's use some purple on the eye to make it all black. And now I'm torn between whether I should take it a little bit higher up towards the eyebrows, like in the original Beetlejuice makeup, or should I make it a little bit glam? Uh, okay, let's make it a little bit glam. So in the same brush, I'm going to take this purple shade and use it in the, like, here, this part. So it's a very beautiful magenta shade, and it brings out the eggplant shade as well. And you can see how beautiful it looks. I'm using it on the inner corner of my eyes as well, and it's so pretty. And some black on the eyebrows to make it dark. Jet black. And now the lips. So I decided to go for the lips using the Beetlejuice lip trend for a bold, edgy vibe. And I have used Antique Velvet for MAC Cosmetics, my favorite lipstick. And you can see how gorgeous it's looking over here. And yes, I had a hard time using green eyeshade on top of it, but I did for you guys. So yeah, the trick is to use a lot of green on the lips. And yeah, here I'm using it with a brush. You can definitely use a beauty blender, but the trick is to use a lot of green so that the lines show well. And here we go, 1 2 3. You can just see how gorgeous it looks. I really loved it. And yeah, it's showtime. And now we are going to do the green moss effect, but I didn't have the green moss, so I used a leaf and I've sticked it with a peel off mask over here. And yeah, here I am using a basil leaf again and sticking it under the nose, over the pimple. And this is the trick. So I have actually dried some moringa leaf powder, and I'm using it over the green lines and over the leaf that I have sticked. And yeah, I have just sticked it on the face, and I thought that it's a good idea. It was like looking really natural when I just sticked it directly with the peel off mask. So I've removed the leaf because it was looking not good. So you can see how gorgeous it looks over here, literally like green moss. So you can dry any leaf and you can just make it up into a powder and then just stick it on the face if you don't have green moss. And it's giving such a Halloween vibe. Yeah. And how can a makeup of Beetlejuice complete without the black teeth? So here I am blacking my teeth with eyeshade, and we are ready. This brings us to the end of our video. If you like this video, don't forget to put a thumbs up to it and subscribe to my channel. Go to my website Aichablogs.com to know more, and until we meet again, take care of yourself. I love you guys. And ciao.